Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and it's exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, I remind you to know, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and to also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, you see why? First and foremost, we would call Vybz Kartel the mother and the father of this genre of music. Dancehall, the king. Addy, the dancehall daddy. Now, viewers and subscribers, I realize that people also work with a statement coined and formulated by me myself, the dancehall quarters. And for the first quarter of dancehall music for 2020, Vybz Kartel has clearly dominated the charts. Now, look at what is taking place worldwide. There's no tours and no shows, being conducted. There are no big performances, no small performances, nothing of that nature. Now people or artists are find themselves musically in the same situation as Vybz Kartel. And what does that prove about their music? That without people seeing them perform, without people going out to a show that they might be performing at locally, nobody remembers them that much. Them either have a call another individual's name, or them have to outright start a lyrical conflict with another artist for them song even trend. Other than that, nobody remembers them, viewers and subscribers. The 6, every member out of the 6 have song we are trend when they have nothing to do with another artist. Vybz Kartel have songs for the ladies, him have a song for him daughter. All trended. Have nothing to do with other artists. Now we talk about accolades, we talk about streams, we talk about the artists them who people are buy them music and a search and listen them song. A Vybz Kartel. And him accomplishment do half the accomplishment of the entire MVP. Would they even mention some other artists? Would they even mention some other small artists recently we make some posts and talk some things where through them have must be 3 songs a trend or 2 songs a trend at the same time. Yo, I notice say out of them 3 songs that were trend, must one of them go 1 million and next 2 they video 500,000. You can't check me, I buy that. I don't want to purchase it, but I pay fee. I want to get it though, but it's clear. I don't see no song trend for so much days and I go over 1 million views. And after the last time I get smartphone and I use YouTube. I can't check my boy a youth. Well, as I pointed out, and as Vybz Kartel has always pointed out, dancehall industry is an industry like this. We like the new fresh sound. We listen to it. But we not dash our own know it's tried and proven. For not try to sell you right now. And the people them see the younger artists, and of course people like to talk about, oh, the Vybz Kartel a fight youth, you know, wants the youth rise at chat or not chat. Vybz Kartel is the most young artist and young producer that I have ever seen. What do I mean by Vybz Kartel a fight artist? I build the artist build champion, you can't check me. I see him do it numerous times, and nobody tell me I now work with hearsay. This is not speculation. And I read this no way. I the play I see. Them not see him help out. Remember, it's when Vybz Kartel decides to go separate himself from Alliance and Bounty Killer. Him say, no, this is a good opportunity to help out my friend them. Because remember, while you're in another music group, you might tell them about your friend them all the while and say, say more on them Vybz can track. But remember how it go. You are not the leader of that musical group. So it's hard to convince another individual to say, yo, them after they on the juggling with him too. Vybz Kartel took the initiative when him leave from the Alliance. And even while producers that say, yo, I know you, but I don't know your little artist friend them. I not go really to vice them. And when him start the Portmore Empire, at the same situation him find the artists producers want to give him the juggling with him. The invite a track on it. But they don't necessarily want a Lisa Hyper or a Black Rhino or whoever was a member of the camp at that point in time. The teacher say, yo, this can't work. We are going to own resident producer, meaning say a producer who is a part of the camp, a part of the movement, and a son not nice forward into play. Not nice would not have a career if Vybz Kartel had not saying, yo, we're going to help out some young youth. Some man make it look like the teacher fight youths. The teacher, Vybz Kartel, almost an ex-artist. That's one of the stuff for the year say. Even somebody who tried to be an opponent of Vybz Kartel and was at one point a member of the teachers group say people who know what to believe in a song. Now some people will try to make speech in a song. And MVP viewers and subscribers are people who chat things in a song. Me and Jamila tell the people, I'm a rough gangster. When? The last day tell me say you was a conscious youth. Oh, you find time for the two. My friend, them are real G on the streets. They might have a good heart. But them caught up in what them are deal with. Them are G on the streets. There is no turning back. We're militant. We're rough. You cannot tell me say militant you're rough and they're telling about oh you tender touch with the ladies and respect and you know what I mean Rasta. No. Choose your lane and choose it wisely. Sizzla Koronji, original foundation. Rasta out here. Militant individual. But if you notice how Sizzla express feel militancy. Different from what you are doing. With the whole heap of Gucci shoes and Ray. With there is enough flag man around here. We are what kind of ras? He's a dread. And he's a mix up dread at that. Vybz Kartel point out in the song now sell. The song now be streamed. On the life, I talk about the younger generation as if on represent for the younger generation. There is nobody streaming your song whether younger or old. Your songs are not meeting the streaming requirements to be considered as a top streaming track. As a matter of fact, them have the list there. And Jamil was not on that list. Mov, not on that list either. I don't think Alkaline was on the list either. There is no members of the MVP. I will talk about streaming and whether them want to reside in America, Canada or England. There are artists who consider themselves dancehall artists. So for the dancehall genre, put out the annual report and show you who has streamed the most for the first quarter of dancehall music and you are not there while you tell people say you're the biggest thing in dancehall. That is disgraceful. While you tell people say you are one of the biggest names in the industry, no sir. That is very disgraceful. Back to the studio again, fool. Jamil, you need to know. If you are such a good songwriter, I suggest you write a hit song for Mov, Alkaline, and yourself. In which you don't talk about no other artists. Just talk about phone thing and phone accolades. It's extremely hard because you can't get a reaction unless you mention something pertaining to or a fiction about or a lie against Vybz Kartel. It was extremely hard for Unu. And after a teacher give you the bone, you still like hype up and say yo run over your daddy and you don't know what you want. You mention the teacher say you can get accreditation. And the teacher got as far as to say your song you're telling me a chance stand for yourself a big tune. You don't want that. You know what you said that before you find out this and find out that you don't want that. You don't know what you want over the MVP camp. I talk like say oh you not follow back a Vybz Kartel, you not Vybz Kartel fans from the day when you start the music. You don't know where you really want. Cause even when the artists do pay on some minor knowledge and say yo, me so not eat that on over there, so me soon I still acknowledgement that you don't get. But you don't ever want that. You don't want it to do. Big enough and so a good artist, big artist, well Jamil can receive that. The artist says a big tune and put out. We're moving on them brain. And you know I suspect this too. But I feel like Mov definitely I tell him say yo say nothing about Vybz Kartel. I suspect it's just young youth being young youth. And Jamil not that young neither, but I just young youth being young youth. And I decide say yo, we're gonna do it not say our way particularly. But we're not gonna make them tell we or steer our course. And then now because the song them did that work and he must show shit himself with a couple artists because they need one tour. And they need one visa. And how coincidentally him have the visa and they need one still one tour. But there's no touring taking place anywhere in the world. And regardless of him being a green card holder, just a visa holder, a citizen, I don't know what I want with them because them go over there and hold it for strange things and some people say them do some things to get them stay. I was not there. But I don't see it benefit him. Because the dancehall music, he must still the artist dancehall artist. And at Jamaica, he live in America. So what does it? How does it benefit a man to gain the world and lose? You know the rest. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the God's representative, and I remind you, if you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, you're just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, and I'm suggesting to you to click the subscribe icon, and then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon did it too as well, from a like, we drop a like on the blog. In truth, share icon always did it, tell a friend, comment section always open. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Quick recap: the teacher, do it again. Top streamed artist for the first quarter of dancehall music, unmatched, unfazed, Vybz Kartel. Our most settings fam, and we don't need no ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours that wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again.